Kung yung kabila pa lang, cellphone ko kasi maraming tatawag sa akin ngayon kaya hindi ko magamit. Thank you guys. Thank you, Jemar. Salamat. Ay, dyan. Ah, ate, baka anuhin ang carpet. Ba't ka? Stay lang, stay. Stay down. Stay down dyan. Stay. For viewers, mega love shout out. Good morning. Good morning, guys. Ano to? Good morning. Mega love shout out, guys. Good morning. Gawa muna ako ng video, madam. Okay, sige. Thank you, Jemar. Maraming salamat. Thank you. Salamat sa pag-thumbs up and pag-share ng ating live. Thank you, Jemar. Thank you. Bye, viewers. Mega love shout out. Yan, maraming salamat, Jemar Vlogger. Yan, guys, please connect to the Jemar Vlogger, guys. 6 viewers, mega love shout out. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Mega love shout out to all. Yan, 6 viewers, mega love shout. Felix Leonel Anatis Pamana Pasache. Greetings from country of Peru. Hello, Felix from Peru. Yan, ang ating live ay nakarating na sa Peru, di ba? Di ba? Yan. Thank you. Felix Leonel. Thank you, Jemar. Thank you. Yan. Thank you sa inyo. Sa 6 viewers, mega love shout out. Yan. Kwentuhan lang tayo dito. Dikitan lang tayo, guys. Yan pala nga ating kaya, guys. Yan. Sana maano tayo dito. Mamuning, if ever. Matagal pa. Wala pa sa katotohanan yan, guys. Pero soon, malay nyo naman. Sa ating 8 viewers, mega love shoutout, guys. Yan. Good morning sa ating lahat, guys. 8 viewers na nandyan, guys. Mega love shoutout. Good morning. Thank you, Jemar. Kala ko ba gumawa ka na, sige na. Okay lang ako dito. Thank you, Jemar. Salamat. Yan, sa 6 viewers, mega love shout out. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Mega love shout out. Diba, ang dami nang bumati sa akin through Facebook, guys. Diba? Sa FB, sobrang dami na. 100 plus na, guys. 100 plus na. Ang, nag-comment sa aking, diba? Ang dami na talaga. 9 viewers, mega love shout out. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Hello, Nas. Good morning. Mega love shout out. Six viewers, mega love shout out. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Eight viewers, mega love shout out, guys. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning. 9 viewers, mega love shout out. 9 viewers, mega love shout out.